Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you an update of my slime. I don't know what happened here guys, but yes, today I'm going to be showing you an update on my slimes collection. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So the first slime we have here is a white base slime, and this was made with PVA glue and Elmer's magical liquid and food coloring, obviously. No glitter or anything. So yeah. Put the tub over here. Jesus. What the frick? There's like a massive hair there. That's disgusting. So this slime is a teensy bit like sticky, so I am gonna add some activator to that. So I have my activator now. So I do use a spray. So yeah, let's mix that up. So as you can see, it's already activated it quite well. I'm sorry guys if you see my knees in this video, but you know, this is just how I've got to sit so that you can see the slime and everything. So as you can see, it still like kind of sticks to my fingers a little bit, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Quite a fluffy slime as well, because I did add shaving foam to this. I completely forgot. So there we go guys, so next slime. Oh gosh. So here we have a fluffy slash tiny, like I only added a little bit of clay to this, so this slime isn't that sticky. If you see any hairs in it, I am really sorry for that, because today I accidentally stupidly left my slime on this little mat, and my brother came in my bedroom and kind of put it all over the carpet. So it got a hair in it, and I can't find it, but I can feel it. So that's like really annoying. So yeah, do some ASMR. So let's get on to the next slime. This slime, guys, is a jiggly, fluffy slime. I do not, personally, I don't like it. It's very disgusting. It's very sticky, so I'm going to add some activator to that. It doesn't look like I've added activator, I know. Oh my gosh, no it didn't. So it doesn't really look like it on camera, but I actually have added activator to the slime. So yeah, I hope this doesn't make it more jiggly, because if it does, then I'm just going to kill somebody. Because to be honest, I personally do not like jiggly slime. Comment down below what kind of slime you like. What the hell? A noise just came up on my laptop saying that a privacy warning something. So yeah, I do not like this slime. Well, I like it, but it's just not my type. At least I made it less sticky now though. Let's put the lid on that and get on to the next slime. Here we have a fluffy slime, flash butter. On the more buttery slimes I will spread them, but this isn't that much of a butter slime. So as you can see, this is a little over activated. Just saying guys, I'm really sorry if there is very bad lighting. I'm just saying right now, that is not my fault. It's just my light in my bedroom. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Next slime. So this is a part butter, part cloud slime, and yeah, I can't remember if I've posted this or not on my YouTube channel already, but if I have, then I'm very sorry. Very sizzly. It does leave a little bit of residue on my hands, but I'm okay with it because I'm obsessed with this slime. So yeah. And there is foam beads in it. We are leaving this slime out because all the foam beads are falling out. I need to throw that in the bin. Oopsies. So this is the next slime, and look how pretty this is. Legit stunning. You will see this is a jiggly metallic slime. I don't really like, whenever I get this slime out, it's always really watery. I don't know why, it's really weird. But yeah, let's get on to the next slime.